Hello, my paper crafting family. Welcome to Paper and Joy, the craft element today. And we are making these beautiful bows to put on presents. So you will get a selection of things in your pack. So you'll get 2 different colours of papers to make 2 different bows. And you'll also get the template so you can cut that out and make your own additional bows. So if you've got copy paper or gift wrap paper, you can trace it onto there and make your own. If you're using gift wrap paper, you might want to, I suppose you can do it anyway, in terms of how you design the pieces, but if you've got gift wrap, probably stick a second piece of paper underneath just normal copy paper, just to give it a bit more strength. And you can also do 2 different designs, so the full design with all the bow elements, so that's everything on the template, or you can take out these 3 pieces and just make a simple bow, which is the top piece, the center circle, and the bottom piece there. So you can either make a simple bow or the more elaborate bow, whichever you like. We're going to go through the full elaborate bow today, and I'm going to make this yellow one. So now you can use your glue stick, as always, trusty glue stick. For the purposes of today's demonstration, I am going to use glue tape just because it's quicker. So I did all these using glue stick, so it does work. You just need to hold the pieces together to press them, just to get them to stick. So, and it just takes a minute or 2 for each piece just to get it to grip. So you're not sitting around waiting for glue to dry. I'm just going to make today's using the glue tape. So if you have glue tape or a roll of double-sided tape at home, feel free to use that instead of your glue stick as well. It just makes things a bit quicker. All right, so now you'll notice for the long strippy bits, there are 3 sort of types. There's one where it's symmetrical in terms of the bow shape. Then the other 2 pieces have like pointy bits with then a more of a bigger curve, and then the opposite. The point is on that side and the curve is on that side. So just make sure these 2 pieces are set out like that there's an opposite piece. So you don't have it, no, it does all go that way. So yeah, make sure that it's not sort of going that way where there's the pointy bit on the same side, and then it will all stick in the right way. Okay, so we'll start off with the symmetrical bow piece, and all we're needing to do, and you can see it's sort of curved a bit, so we'll just use that curving shape to help with the getting to stick and knowing which way. We're just going to put a bit of glue in this center section and then fold down so that the end tabs meet halfway. Okay, so I'll just do this one. And then just make each of the tabs meet halfway and meet in the center there, and then just give it a push. Okay, so that is the bottom, so then you can flip it over because that's the top bit. All right, next piece, again, just a little strip of glue in the center bit. And then the pieces meet into the middle. These ones are slightly angled when they come into the center. There we go, just to get them together. Push for a sec to get it to set. And then flip it over so we've got it the right way. And the last of these long pieces. again, meeting sort of the center. Again, this is like a bit of a diagonal, and push to hold. And flip it over. Okay, now if you take those two sort of angled pieces, and you can see, let's see if I can do this, there's bits that sort of stick out, and then there's bits that are covered. So the covered pieces are going in the center, and we're just going to cross over like this. So you can see the bits that stick out, sort of making that bow shape accentuated on the outside. If you put it around the wrong way, it's okay. But if you can, put the cut bits that stick out from the bottom of the shape to the outside. All right, and again, a little bit of glue in the center there to connect these. Stop my finger. Okay, they just sort of sit together. These sort of interlock a little bit, but yeah, those pieces out, and again, and then the top piece. So this is a symmetrical piece, will sit in the center. So these are crossed over, and this is just in the center there. And pop a bit of glue on this bit. Just in the middle there. Okay, nearly done. Okay, and then we've got a final yellow piece, which has a little circle bit in the middle. So we'll pop a bit of glue along that, just along the whole strip, because we're going to fold that over and just join those pieces all together. Okay, so the circle piece goes on top, just in the middle, and then you flip it over, and just sort of fold it to the center, and they should meet sort of in the middle. Right. Give it a squish. Okay, and now we have a patterned circle piece, which will just go on top to decorate that. Okay, and the final piece is the base. So I'm just going to put a bit of sticky in the middle again. And give everything a push. There we go. Lovely. I really like how these have turned out, actually. So I hope you do too. I'd love to see how you get creative and make your own pieces. You can you can go, you know, all different colors for the center pieces. You can have everything the same color, whatever you like. It's a great way to get creative. And as I said, you can do the simple version as well. So all you need is a little bit of either double-sided tape or glue tape, or even sticky tape rolled up in the circle just in the middle there when you're sticking it on a gift. So hope you enjoy that. Pop some photos to me. That would be great to see what you've come up with. Hope you have fun with making the bows, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.